Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 4.7, Problem 2. This is Section 4.7, Problem 2. It says the City of Fall River has an annual budget of $270 million. The annual payment for pensions is $24,300,000. What percent of Fall River's annual budget is for pensions? So, this is an interesting application problem. What we have to do is rewrite the important parts of the problem in the form A is what percent of B. And when we do that, we can use the formula A over B equals P over 100. That's a formula that will solve just about any percent problem for you, or most of them for sure. So, as we look through this, we have an overall budget of $270 million. Of that $270 million, a little over $24 million is for pensions, and we want to know what percent is for pensions. So, as we rewrite this, we want to write $24,300,000 is what percent of $270 million. A lot of zeros. So that's what we want to figure out. The 24 million, a little more than 24 million, is what percent of 270 million. That'll be the percent of the Fall River operating budget that's for pensions. So that's the form. We have A is what percent of B. So now I'm going to put it in this sort of a formula. So the A is the 24,300,000 becomes the equal P percent. The percent is unknown, so I leave it as a P. Percent goes in as 100. And the B, the number in the denominator, is 270 million. So 270 with 6 zeros after it. So that's what we have to solve. We'll cross multiply and divide out the number next to the P. Now, it's almost crazy not to at least eliminate as many zeros as we can. So now when we cross multiply, I have 243 times 100. I'll put it on this side. 243 times 100 is 243 with 2 zeros after it. So it would be 24,300. And then P times, it would be 2,700. Like that. So, oops, forgot the P. P times 2,700 is 2,700 P, or P 2,700. So to solve it, what I need to do to get what P equals is divide away the number next to it. So I will have 243,000 over 2,700, and that's what P equals. So to do that division, again, I can certainly reduce this. 2 zeros on the end of each number. I can cross them off. Essentially, I'm dividing 100 into the numerator and 100 into the denominator equally. That's why I can just cancel 2 zeros. Now, at this point, if your math teacher will let you use a calculator, you can just do 243 divide by 27 equals, and the calculator will figure out the answer for you. Now, if your math teacher won't let you use a calculator, what you have to do is do it by hand. 27 divides into 243. 27 won't go into 2. 27 won't go into 24, so I have to try and do the whole thing. So I know if the number under the symbol is 270, it would fit in 10 times. So it's pretty close. I'm going to start with a 9. And it looks pretty good, actually. 9 times 7 is 63. So the 3 matches. That's good. Write the 3, carry the 6. 9 times 2 is 18, plus the 6 more that we carried, 24. So it works perfect. 243 minus 243, remainder is 0. So I get an answer of 9. What that means is P is 9, so that's 9%. So what percentage of Fall River's overall budget is for pensions? 9% goes to paying pensions.